vegetables. Today, in my baby bottle, I'm gonna build carburetor. Carburetor?
Yes.
And
This thing is so easy.
this thing is so easy, even a 5-year-old could do it, and I'm 6. And I should have no problems.
Very good. So first, we take the bowl off.
So first, take the bowl. I could do it, Dad.
You could do it?
Mm-hmm.
You could remove the bowl off the carburetor.
Do I get the ball?
The bowl. Nay, it's the bowl, not the ball. Oh, you leave that one there.
No, to put the...
Leave that one there.
Why?
Because that's other pieces that belong there. We'll just do all the pieces here.
Okay.
But good job. You can sit there, yeah, sure. But I thought you were sitting over there. Okay, very good. So you remove the bowl.
So you remove the bowl like that. Looks like my daddy's doing.
Yes. And then you grab this and...
No, oh well. Oh wow. The phone.
We need that bowl. Not that one, but another one. I guess you're right. We'll bring the bowl over here. Jeez, Louise. Leave those screws right there. Okay. So,
After looking at Sebastian,
so what are we cleaning here?
a club over there.
And then you want to spray what?
A jet?
The jets.
The jets.
Oh, whew, there's got to be some kind of law against this
Taking cover!
child labor carburetor cleaning.
I'm taking cover!
You taking cover?
Yes.
Do take cover, please. Whew.
Taking cover!
You're taking cover too? Very good.
Dad, are you done?
Not yet. I
Wait.
thought you were doing the carburetor. Are you done?
No, are you done?
Yes.
Hey,
We're not done yet.
You said I'm doing it.
What's
You
up,
said I'm doing
everybody?
it. Dad, you said I'm doing it. Dad, you
You
said I'm
can't do
doing
it.
it.
You can't do it. So it's half a turn in. Pull this out.
Can I do the last one?
Yeah, yeah.
Ow!
Hey, no fighting in the camera, please. Hey. Shh. Hey, no fighting in the camera.
Can I do the last glue? Dada? Take a couple. In this car. Daddy, done?
Not done yet, Papa.
Mud.
Where's the entrance
I
for
done
this?
spraying.
Oh, it's in the bottom.
Can I do the last one?
Heads up, back up. Ooh. Okay, nice and clean. Okay, now we gotta assemble it, guys. I think we're ready. You all can come and whew.
Can I build it?
Hold on.
Assemble?
We're gonna assemble it together slowly.
I'm doing these.
Okay, so first we
7. Okay, baby, I YouTube it. Póngale en la plana.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm done spraying, puppy. See, I'm done with the.
Yay!
You wanna come sit down right here?
Yeah. You're gonna do that?
Yes.
You're gonna like what there? Me?
I wonder.
With that. With that, Dad. With that. I'm gonna be screwing it.
No toque nada de eso, papá.
Que no
Siéntese y
guantes.
póngase sus guantes.
Póngate tus guantes. No puedo tener guantes.
¿No quiere guantes, papá? It's okay. ¿No quiere guantes? It's okay.
Dad,
Leave him alone.
Great.
It's okay. You give him his gloves.
Oh, estoy en el mes. Tú la ves, ¿ja? Bye bye, Dad. Yo no necesito nada.
Where did you guys leave that little piece? No way. Hey guys. There it is. You need a blank place. Not this trees and house tray. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. We did a super job here, huh, Paquito?
And I'm still looking at the camera.
Yeah.
On the back.
Can you see what we're doing? Yeah. Huh?
A little.
we're almost done. Here, 10 minutes to build a carburetor, huh? Not bad. Not bad at all.
We have 10 minutes.
Uh-huh. When the carburetor is easy.
And actually, we have 10 minutes for the video to finish.
No, we have more than that. Okay, very good. So this goes here.
Wait, we're going to still be recording when?
Oh, on the bottom.
We're still going to be recording.
We're recording right now.
And then we're going to be recording us on the moped?
Yeah. But this is not a moped. It's a Honda Trail 70.
And then we're going to be walking on the Honda. Yeah?
Yes, sir. It should run right after this. Whoa, here, try yourself. Sorry. Ooh.
That was a fast call. Wait.
Yes,
Wait,
sir.
that was a fast call. That's done. That's done. And for the couple of the video, we almost fixed the moped when we weren't doing a video.
Yep.
And my dad used to make videos. And subscribe to his videos. Well,
Okay,
I
there
need
it
to
is.
get
It's
more
built.
likes
Now let's put it on.
on your videos.
There it is. Say bye.